Comparison between standard cam tree and 7.5 line level cam tree. The difference between standard and modified is the thickness and number of teeth on the gears. The difference between standard and modified is the number of holes and thickness of the gears and the size of the cam heads. Through various detailed modifications, the engine speed can be increased. You can travel with it, work all day, and unlike other racing cams, it will not damage your engine. We provide modification and customization services. Welcome to purchase in bulk from us.